Hello friend, welcome to Dr. Subhash Technical Campus, Junagadh. Today's tutorial topic is about basic electronic components and its symbol. In starting of our video, we will start with different component and in last we will see the different component symbol so we can identify in the circuit. Let's take a look. In this slide, the different electronic component is there. The first component is wire. Here the different component like wire, resistor, capacitor, transistor, diode, switch, motor and last one is integrated circuit. So these all are the basic component. Other component is there but this is the basic component requirement for the circuit design. So let's start one by one. The first electronic component is connecting wire. There is a two type of connecting wire. First one is a single core wire or flexible wire. Now single core is nothing but there is a one lead, it is used for the circuit design, and flexible wire generally it is used for the soldering purpose, and different color code on the wire to identify the different wire for the positive or negative or different coding. So in the figure this is the connecting wire, these all are the different color wire. Now next one is resistor. Now resistor is nothing but if you want to limit the current then resistor is required. There is a two type of resistor, fixed value resistor and next one is variable value resistor. Now fixed value is nothing but whenever the manufacturer fix the value of resistor then it is known as fixed resistor. In the circuit or sorry in the figure, these all are the fixed value resistor. Means the value of this resistor we cannot change. So the different color code is used to identify the different value resistor. So this all are the fixed value resistor. Then next one is variable resistor. It is variable resistor is nothing but whenever we want to change the value of resistor then we can change using one knob. It known as variable resistor. In this diagram, these all are the variable resistor. Is simply called port or preset. So we can set the different value of the resistor. So we can use in the different circuit. So this one is about the resistor. Then next one is capacitor. Friend, capacitor is nothing but it is used for the coupling purpose or the filtering purpose. Then in the diagram, this one all are the capacitor, and capacitor different type of capacitor is there. Electrolyte capacitor, paper capacitor, mica capacitor, ceramic capacitor, and according to our application we can use the different type of capacitor. In electrolyte capacitor there is a positive and negative lead is there. But in mica capacitor or ceramic capacitor, there is no requirement of positive in negative. So this according to our requirement, we can use the different capacitor for the circuit design. Then next one is transistor. The main device of basic electronic is transistor and it is used for the switching purpose as well as amplifier purpose. If you want to design a electrostatic switch, then transistor is required, and if you want to design amplifier is nothing but it is used to boost the signal or increase the strength of signal, then different NPN or PNP transistor is required, and in this diagram this all are the transistor. This is a 3-terminal device, emitter, base and collector. So this all about the transistor. Then next one is diode. The many type of diode is available in this diagram. This all are the diode. This two-terminal device, anode and cathode. Friends, this all are the diode, means light emitting diode. Simply is called LED. LED is a one type of diode, and different color LED is available. In LED also anode and cathode is there. And according to the manufacturing material, the different color of LED is available. So this all are about the LED, and the anode and cathode is connected according to our requirement. So we can design a different circuit. So this one is about the diode. Then next one is switch. The different type of switch is required for the circuit design for on-off switch or push button switch or limit switch. If you want to design a microprocessor or microcontroller circuit, then you have to use for the reset. There is a push button switch, and main circuit board on-off switch is there. So this one is about the switches, and switch is nothing but protection device is used for the any circuit. So this one is about switch. Here friend, this all are the also one type of diode, and it is known as Zener diode, and Zener diode is also the used for the voltage regulator. So you have to remember this component. Then motor. In this diagram there is no motor, but if you want to design any circuit, like it convert electrical to mechanical signal, electrical signal to mechanical, then motor is there, then AC motor or DC motor is available. And any toys, we can see the different type of motor according to the rating, 6 volt or 12 volt or servo motor, stepper motor, all are the electronic component. This is used for the circuit design. Then last one is integrated circuit. It's simply called IC. Then the different component is inside one package or inside one main material. There is used to design a circuit or complex design. Then integrated circuit is there. Then different type of transistor, diode are inside the one chip. It's known as integrated circuit. So this one is about different component. Now in this figure we can see the battery, connector of battery, then different type of diode, wire. This all are component are attach each other and make a one circuit on this board. This board is known as breadboard, and this breadboard is used for the research and development purpose. If you want to design some circuit, then first you have to verify the circuit, and for the verification this breadboard is required. Without any soldering, we can check the circuit output and input criteria and characteristic. Then this breadboard is most important. So friends, this one is about the basic component. Then let's start with one by one. This wire, we can see in previous slide, this wire all are the used for the connecting purpose. There are two type of wire, copper wire or aluminum wire. So we can connect the different component. Then resistor. The different value resistor, according to the code or according to the color code, the value is different. Carbon film resistor, metal oxide resistor, these are the carbon film, metal oxide or metal film. Then variable, this we have discussed in previous slide. So you have to remember this type of component is known as resistor. Then this one is about capacitor. These are all are the ceramic capacitor, titanium capacitor and electrolyte capacitor. Friends, you have to remember in this slide, this one is electrolyte. Here plus and minus is there. In this there is no plus minus, but in electrolyte capacitor you have to remember plus and minus. Generally in this capacitor, the big lead or long lead is related to the positive and the small lead is related to negative. In capacitor printed also there is a plus or minus sign is there, so you can directly identify the plus and minus. This one is about transistor. This all are the diode. This one is PN junction diode and this is the Zener diode. In PN junction diode, this white strip indicate this is the cathode and this one is cathode and this is the anode. So you can directly identify the anode and cathode using the one device. This is the LED. In LED, anode cathode is there. This motor, this different type of switch that we have discussed in previous slide. Limit switch or on-off switch or push button switch. This is for the protection. Then integrated circuit. Friends, here the different component like a transistor and diode, all are, and resistor and capacitor, all are inside one chip and make a one IC. It known as integrated circuit. So we can compress the size of the any circuit. So this one is about the integrated circuit. Now let's start or let's see the different symbol of electronic component. So for the first symbol of resistor, different type of resistor is there, variable or fixed. Then sources here voltage source, current source and AC oscillator. Friends, you have to take a screenshot and draw this whole symbol in your notebook, so you can easily identify and remember this the symbol. Symbol is most important because whenever you want to design any circuit, then you have to draw this symbol for the circuit design. This all are the battery. If our battery cell is single battery cell, then you have to remember first symbol. Then if multiple battery cell, then you have to remember the second symbol of the circuit. Then this all are the protection. Then crystal. Here crystal is nothing but the crystal is used for the oscillator purpose. Whenever you want to design any oscillator, then the crystal is required. In microprocessor and microcontroller, the main heartbeat of microcontroller and processor, there is a one crystal, and crystal symbol is like this. Then capacitor. The different capacitor is there. If capacitor is variable, then arrow is there. If arrow is not, then capacitor value is fixed. Then ground. This all are the ground or earthing. Then any circuit, if you want to ground, then you have to this earth ground symbol. Then lamp. This lamp is used for lighting purpose as well as the indication purpose. Then different lamp is like this. You have to draw this symbol. Then inductor. If you want to draw the symbol of inductor, then you have to draw the symbol like this. See, inductor is nothing but it is used for the transformer as well as the to limit the current. Then audio device. There is a main two audio device, loudspeaker and mic. And for the mic, like you have to draw this symbol, and loudspeaker is nothing but this is the symbol of loudspeaker. Then amplifier, and then transformer. This all are the basic symbol. Then you have to remember all the symbol of the electronic device. Then different cable, contactor, strip line. Then monostable multivibrator. Friends, here multivibrator is nothing but if you want to design a pulse or pulse train, then different multivibrator is required. And here three type of main multivibrator: monostable, bistable and astable. And astable multivibrator is nothing but whenever we give one trigger, then automatically pulse train is there, then it is known as astable multivibrator. Then Schmitt trigger, then phase shifter, 90 degree or 180 degree phase shifter is there, then you have to draw this symbol. Then Schmitt trigger. If you want to convert sine wave to square wave, then Schmitt trigger is required. Then different type of switch. Now switch is on off switch or a push button switch. Then limit switch. Friends, here multi position switch, you have see this switch in the multimeter. If you want to set the ampere range and then voltage range or any resistor range, then this type of switch is required. So this one is about the, if you want to take a screenshot, then you can take it. So this one is basic component and its symbol. Then this is the different type of diode, then different type of transistor, then Darlington pair of transistor, unijunction transistor. This all are you have to remember for the circuit design. So you can take a screenshot. Then this also the different type of transistor, thyristor. Then the higher version of transistor is FET, field effect transistor. Here drain, gate and source, these three terminal device. Then thyristor is nothing but it is power electronic device. SCR and triac and diac all are required for the power electronic purpose. Then MOSFET, this all are IGBT and MOSFET. It is also used in power electronic switching as well as the basic electronic switching. So this one is about FET. Then opto electronic device is nothing but if you want to convert our electric quantity into the optical quantity or light, then one type of transducer is there. Then LED, photodiode, phototransistor, all are the optoelectronic device. Using optoelectronic device, we can design the optical coupler, and these all are related to the optical coupler. Then optocoupler is nothing but it is convert electrical to light. Then after inside the one IC, it further converted optical to light. So this all are the optoelectronic. Then gates. This all are digital circuit. Then in digital circuit there is a different type of gate and flip flops is there, and for the gate and flip flop there is a different symbol is required, and this all are the RS flip flop, toggle flip flop or T flip flop, JK flip flop. This all RS or JK this or D flip flop, simply delay flip flop, and this flip flop are required to design any microprocessor register as well as the microprocessor design. So, this you have to remember for the basic electronic purpose. Okay friend, this one is about the basic components and electronic. If you have any doubt or query, then you can write in my mail chetanb@drsubhastech.edu.in, so we can identify or understand the all component as well as the symbol of the electronic circuit. Okay friends, thank you.